Hi, my name is Bastian and I would like to introduce to you our new brochure. This one you probably know. This layout we have since 2015. But ever since, a lot of things has changed. Our company is developing, our brand is developing, and look where we are. This is our new brochure. You see an image of our experience center. This is where we are filming now. In this new brochure there are a lot of new items. To start with, in a Sevilla range we have the KitKat mosaics with a matte finish. We also have some stunning new colors in the R11 23 by 26 mm hexagons. Then we have in the recycled glass mosaic from the Valencia range a marble printed in 3 colors. And finally, the bronze colored penny round. Let's make something beautiful.